Hey folks, Mr. Quinn here with another IXL talk through video. Today we're going to be breaking down the skill of add and subtract fractions with like denominators. So relatively older skill, something you would have been exposed to probably back in fourth grade, but we're going to just talk through one or two examples. This should be a really easy one for you. The big takeaway here is that all of these fractions that we're adding or subtracting are going to have like denominators. Like, as you can tell even by this first problem, means that they are the same. And we know as sixth graders that that's a rule. If we want to add and subtract fractions, our denominators need to be the same. Fortunately for us, all of these are going to be the same. So when we look at a fraction like 2/4 and we are going to be adding it to a fraction like 1/4, we don't have to worry about making these the same. They already are. And because they're the same, my denominator stays the same. When we are working with addition and subtraction, we only work with the numerator. Once our denominators are alike, we either add or subtract the two top numbers of the fraction. So in this case, I have 2 plus 1. We can all do 2 plus 1. That's going to be 3, and we can type our answer in. Now, when we type in a fraction answer on IXL, I know it's a little bit different. We're going to type my 3. That comes first. It's my numerator. I'm going to hit my slash button. That is the one that's connected to the question mark on your keyboard. And then I'm going to type 4 for my denominator. And I'm going to go ahead and click submit. And I got that question correct. We're just going to look at one more. I'm going to erase everything I have here. Remember, our denominators are already the same. So when I have 6/8 and I am going to be subtracting 4/8, my denominator in my difference in my answer is going to be 8. It doesn't change. So all I have to do is do 6 minus 4. In this case, that is going to be 2. My directions don't tell me I need to reduce. So I'm going to leave this as is, and I'm going to type in 2/8, and I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to jump some levels here just to double check to make sure, see what the rest of these look like. I'm guessing they're just going to be bigger numbers, which you guys are going to do an awesome job with. All right, so it's throwing us into the challenge zone. This is not a challenge for you guys. I know you know how to handle this question. I have 2/3 plus 2/3. My denominator, they are alike. All of them are in this set of questions, so it's going to stay as 3. And then I see that I have 2 plus 2. That's 4. Hopefully you remember that this is called a improper fraction. And my directions don't tell me that I have to convert it back to a mixed number. So I'm going to type in 4/3. I'm going to hit submit, and I got it. I'm all done. You guys are going to do an awesome job with this skill. I hope this video helps.